Catholic community condemns controversial event. Social worker Warren Alemao has strongly condemned an event, Bhagwan Shree Rajneesh Foundation, that was being promoted as a Christmas celebration but reportedly included explicit sexual content, tantric practices, and provocative sessions. Social worker Warren Alemao called the organizers' program deeply disrespectful, disturbing, and an assault on faith, culture, and religious sentiments. The organizers had linked activities such as tantric workshops, erotic massages, and sexual-themed sessions to the festive season, which the community described as a deliberate and targeted insult to sacred traditions. Credit has been given to social worker Warren Alemao for intervening and ensuring the cancellation of the event. Organizers has also reportedly issued an apology, acknowledging the hurt caused to the community.
Hello.
Hello. हाँ जी सर.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir.
I'm Warren Alemao.
जी.
I'm a social worker and a citizen of Goa.
जी sir.
I am calling you with regard to this Tales of Kama Sutra and Christmas celebration ad that you have put all over Goa. Hello?
Yeah, that event is cancelled.
Yeah, but event is cancelled is okay, but y'all should not do like this. This is not right, no? Y'all are disturbing the peace and we are Catholics and y'all are putting such things. It is not right. Everyone in Goa is very hurt with this, what
Yeah.
has been done.
The thing is, sir, our intention was not that.
No, but see,
intention was
yeah.
just behind that for a meditation retreat.
No,
But to
meditation
celebrate,
retreat, y'all wrote all cosmic orgasm and some other orgasm and sexual superconscious, tantra lovemaking, tantric sexuality.
no, that is,
mystery of
sir, so that,
masturbating.
it was just some mistake from our
No, but
publisher.
such a big
Yeah,
mistake,
but definitely,
very hurtful, very, very hurtful. I just called to tell you it is very, very hurtful and it has hurt each and every Goan, not only Catholics, but Hindus, Muslims, every Goan has been hurt with this ad of yours.
Yeah, so we have removed and we cancelled this event, and we are very sorry about all these things.
No, but I would tell you as a proud Catholic and as a Goan, you all should. It is up to you all finally what you'll decide, but you all should put an official apology to each and every Goan, because this has hurt the sentiments of each and every Goan. And like this, if you all don't apologize, maybe your printing fellow did mistake, I don't know what, but if you all don't apologize, tomorrow no one will allow you all to do anything in Goa. I will never allow. You all should speak to your seniors and put an official apology to each and every Goan. See, we are peace-loving people in Goa. We don't like violence.
Yeah, definitely. And sir, what is the way for do this? Well, where the platform where we write these things?
No, you all apologize. You all come on media and apologize, no, to each and every Goan. That would be because that would be the best.
Sir, any media platform or any numbers, so where we can send the email to you.
Y'all speak. Y'all will have every channel. If you'll call anyone, like how this printing ad fellow put, ask him who are the media channels in Goa and call them up and give a. I would request you. See, I am not speaking to you harshly. I am a law-abiding citizen, and I'm a proud Catholic. Christmas is a very, very holy festival for us. We are during Christmas. We do not like all this. This is not right, because our children, our families, our brothers, sisters, grandparents, uncle, aunties, mothers, fathers, everyone get united together, and it's the birthday of our Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
And you all have written such explicit and so. I have no words other than I don't want to be any other social worker by just condemning it. But if you all go officially on the news and apologize, at least then the people will know you all regret this, right? We are proud Catholics, and when we saw something like this, it has hurt the sentiments, not only just to put on press. It has hurt us. That's why I have personally called you. Like other politicians, I don't want to just put a condemnation statement on the news channel. I want you to realize the the thing what you have done has actually hurt every one of us in Goa.
No problem, sir. I will
See, we
do it
have
right
no
away.
problem with your foundation as long as you all are doing somewhere else. But in our state of Goa, we will not allow all this. Whether you all do it with Christmas, some Hindu festival, Muslim festival, we will not allow these things in Goa. Please, I'm requesting, don't
No problem. No
again
problem, sir.
come with such things. And these are the harmony you all are spoiling. It is not
Sir,
right.
definitely, sir. We will take care now, sir.
Yeah,
Thanks for calling.
yeah.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.